Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix buffer publishing errors in 2026. If your scheduled posts are failing to publish or you're seeing error messages in Buffer, this guide will help you troubleshoot the problem step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, check the post that failed to publish and read the error message carefully. In many cases, Buffer will explain what caused the issue. Next, make sure your social media account is still connected properly. Sometimes the connection expires, especially after changing your password or updating your account security settings. If needed, disconnect the account and reconnect it. Now verify that you still have permission to manage the social media page or profile you're trying to publish to. If your admin access has been removed, Buffer won't be able to publish your posts. Next, review your post content. Make sure your text, images, videos, hashtags, and links meet the requirements of the social media platform. Unsupported file types or oversized media can cause publishing failures. Now check your internet connection and refresh the Buffer dashboard. Temporary network issues can sometimes interrupt the publishing process. Next, edit the failed post if necessary and try scheduling it again. You can also create a new test post to confirm that the connection is working properly. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache, try another browser, or sign out and back into your Buffer account. Finally, if none of these steps solve the issue, visit Buffer's Help Center or contact Buffer support with the exact error message for additional assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Buffer publishing errors step by step. Your scheduled posts should now publish correctly, and your social media workflow can continue without interruptions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.